Well, this is my better late than never bonfire night, eh? Fucking love beer, mate. My bonfire. Yep. Stay tuned, because you might get to see some fireworks. Fucking lovely and warm, that. Right, we're at fucking Spuds. Right, tea tonight. Let's swing over here. Right, can you see this here? Now, Louise has done this because we're having a bonfire and a few fireworks. Whoa, whoa, whoa! She's only knocked up her tatty ash in my super fandangled slow cooker, the bitch. Anyway, hey, it should be okay. Right, first up, we've got a firework called the Trailer Twist. Let's see how shit this is.
Do you want to take a video of
Fucking bobbins. Personally myself, I'm looking forward to this one. Venom Teeth. Venom Tooth. Right, the next one sounds dirty, but I doubt it is. It's called the Golden Promise.
I hope it's in ground properly, don't fall over. There's all the traffic lights.
I think that's done.
That better not fall over, Chris.
Fancy flight.
You haven't hammered it in, but they're giving him. Hey! You haven't got him.
Fucking hell, was that it? Stand by for missile fire. Right, Connor.
I'm going to pick that one.
You're picking that one?
Yeah. That's how.
Let's have a look. What Connor picked here? Gold mine.
Golden!
Right, well let's give this one a whirl, shall we? I give you the gold mine.
Oh, that was
Was that it?
Don't go near it, just in case. Yeah, is it?
Connor? That was garbage. Right, Connor's picked. It's called the Magic Lamp. Can I feel like I'm in Stars in Their Eyes? And the last firework of tonight is going to be Spider Strike. Is this going to be garbage like the rest? I don't know. That's me.
Okay.
That was identical to the last one. And that's how we finish it tonight. Louise's homemade tatty ash with red cabbage. Is there any other way? The only thing we're missing is beetroot. But I didn't have any. So, well done, Lou. Cheers for tea, love. Right, that was a bit of an off-the-cuff video for me tonight. A bit right field. Oh, for fuck's sake. Wibble wobble. Yeah, microwave's plugged in. Bastard. Try again, shall we? Right, I hope you enjoyed my firework display. Now, the fireworks, you know, I mean, I struggled to keep up with some of them with camera. And there was a lot more than what I actually filmed. But Connor enjoyed it. Even little baby Kieran enjoyed it in his jumpsuit, wrapped up like a mummy. Yeah. So, yeah. Couple of Stellas. School night, so I won't be having many. Please. All my subscribers so far, love you all. You're all part of my family. I want more. Come on. I want my family to be even bigger than what it is. So please like, share, subscribe, and all that shit. And please get this shared all throughout your social media, not just this video, my channel, everything. Because, you know what I mean, I've got a lot of stuff to come yet. There's so many ideas up here that's going to bury the fucking all out at the top of my head. So they've got to go somewhere, and, well, I think YouTube's the place they're going to go. Good night, God bless. I love you all. But not as much as I fucking love beer. I tell you what, that was a fucking nightmare to edit.